Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Assalamu alaikum dosto. Welcome to Ride with MJ, Hyderabad ki Shaan, Mera Bharat Mahan. Today we have reached Via Mocha for the Castrol ride. You can see lots of bikes behind me. This is the bike collection which has come today. Everything right from a 150cc to a 1600cc Busa is available here. Let me give you a view of what's going on here. We have some amazing paintings and we have some amazing folks right over here. I'll take you to the zone where we have the super bikes. But first, let me go ahead and take you to the zone which I love most today. This is Sam Bhai.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So here, I wanted to show you these paintings. These are amazing. See this? And here is the artist. She's the artist.
Please, no stage.
And then you can see these pics as well. Wow. And the one which I like the most is, of course, the Buddha. This is very nice. Especially these art pieces. Just see this. Wow.
I see my own reflection,
Something going on the stage here.
craving for attention.
What a lovely place. People are already
Longing for
having breakfast
salvation
over
in the
here.
middle of the night.
Let's go ahead and see the super bikes. So here, the swimming pool,
As far
lots
as
of
the eye
people
can
having
see.
food, munching food. I would say this is the
As
place.
long as the sea is deep,
So let's go and cover. Okay, this is the queue for the breakfast.
as long as my soul is free, I'm alive.
Let's go ahead and see some super bikes.
Mind over matter,
Let's go ahead
love
and
over
see
lust,
where the super bikes are.
compassion
So this
over
is where
fear.
we had come last time for
Love
the
is fire,
Royal Enfield meetup, and right here you find there is Adarsh Motors, which has kept their advertisement over here, and you can see they have put banners which says World Motorcycle Day. So today is World Motorcycle Day. Brothers and sisters, my riders, my fellow friends, let's celebrate this World Motorcycle Day with lots of brotherhood. These are some of the bikes. We again have two more Busas here. Wow. Hi buddy. And yes, I can. So somebody needs my shades because they are doing a photo shoot. Okay. Yeah. So these are the bikes today, and this is a big lawn wherein last time we had a DJ party as well.
I see my own reflection, craving for attention, longing for salvation in the middle of the night.
Bye.
As far as the eye
First
can
winner.
see,
Lucky draw started, guys.
as long as the sea is deep,
Again, another photograph.
as long as my soul is free, I'm alive.
All right. So I'm going to make two coupons picked up from these two wonderful ladies here.
अरे shuffle.
Yeah, by एक घंटे के
हिलाओ साम भाई हिलाओ
आप दीदी के सर अरे अंदर तो दूसरे उठाएंगे
ऑन है she has to announce the name. Oh, she's picking up a shit.
All right. The final match. Let us do
गुना
हाँ तू पकड़
अच्छा एक्सेस मेरा है
रौनक
Congratulations. Pen.
Somebody give me a pen.
Very nice. Yeah. Hey, wow. निकाल बच्चे मेरा
थोड़ा सा हंसो, गिफ्ट मिला आप लोगों को।
Take a picture with access team. Give me a second.
थैंक यू ब्रो
4 helmets from Argos Motors. एक वो खाली है. All right. Doc.
चढ़ा शेक शेक शेक
All right. थोड़ा वीडियो करा पर उड़ी कुटा. मैं चले रे वीडियो. 4. Okay, 1. 2. 3. One more sir. Come on.
फोर हो गया था सेकंड नेम
मालूम था. पहन लो वीडियो बन रहा है. अगली बार. Congratulations.
वो अरे मेरा
एक्सचेंज है. फोटो. लकी वन. Wait, I have to ask him a question, right?
Yeah.
I have to ask him a question. Okay, go to the shop and exchange your size. Guys, anybody wants to change size can contact me, okay?
ओके अरे सैम भाई एक और
Group picture, please, with Uday. Dr. Uday. Thank you, Dr. Uday.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर
All the people who want the helmet, please come here for us. हाँ भाई जल्दी. All the helmet winners. Helmet winners, please. Quickly. Show your helmet. Michael, जल्दी आ. All right. Hold your helmet like this. Thank you. Thank you once again, Doctor. Yes, come on.
Congrats.
थैंक यू. इनको बोलो हेलमेट ये दिए.
सत्यानंदा
स्टैलियंस
नहीं है
सत्यानंदा.
नहीं है एक और सैम भाई एक निकालो
ईश्वर 233. ईश्वर 233.
नहीं है
बोले अरबाज विकेट. अरे वो भी देंगे रे. अरबाज विकेट. गया. नोएल 2.
नोएल 3
आ गया.
टीवी भी 3 हेलमेट्स
Hey, trial days on. Sorry.
कांग्रेट्स
Yeah, together. Guys, round of applause for Siddharth. Another Siddharth also got helmet. One more, one more. Hey, मैं ही बोला था तुमको लिखने के लिए. मैं ही बोला था. Guys, the team from Castrol has won one.
Wow.
Hey.
Marcus is 100 pole position win. So that's what
Nice. 100.
I want you cutting it. I will put you on. I like putting in mouth. Faster, forward, fearless.
Woo, that's nice.
मामा करे मैंने कहा तो कोल्ड है ना
हाँ?
चलो
चलो चलो चलो इधर.
मनोज भाई के बच्चे को खिलाओ
Wow. Happy bro. తీస్తాను దీంట్లో వీడియో వస్తుంది. క్లాప్స్.
I see my own reflection,
అరే ఈయన మార్చలా?
craving for attention, longing for salvation in the middle of the night. As far as the eye can see, as long as the sea is deep,
3 cheers for Mr. Uday. Hip hip. Hooray.
as long as my soul is free, I'm alive.
It's right, we've got some cool goodies, keychains, batches, stickers. You can see we have 5,000 discount on a tattoo studio. Then you have 10% off on Via Mocha. And there are several other stickers over here. And Cruzy, which sponsored 5 helmets today as a giveaway. They are telling that if you book a car for 3 days, you're going to get the next 4th day free. Then we have some cool stickers. To top it up, this is the Castrol pouch, which is in a lovely blue color. This is what I picked up, and there was one more color, black. I already have a black pouch, so this is the one what I picked up. So thank you so much for this wonderful ride and goodies, Castrol. It surely made the World Motorcycle Day a memorable one, the one which was conducted today in the year 2025. So now in front of me I have
Mind
the
over matter,
Royal Enfield Beer 650.
love
Okay,
over lust,
this is the first bike what I'm seeing in Hyderabad.
compassion over
I've not seen
fear.
it anywhere. Just see the color, guys.
Love is fire.
I'm in love with this color. This is a mix of a green, a blue, right? From here it looks blue, but if you go in detail, this is a greenish shade, okay, and it's a metallic. And again, there's some amazing tires. First I thought these are the Pirelli Scorpion Rally, but however these are MRF, and the proud owner is right in front of me.
Hello.
And he is Varun Patel. So Varun was just sharing the goodies what he got. So
Just got Castrol power back.
okay, that's nice. And some stickers also. Wow. So he's happy, he's all happy.
Okay.
Nice. So what's different between the normal Interceptor and this is,
Like,
I think, go ahead.
This is 2-in-1 cylinder.
Okay.
Yeah, it produces more BHP, more torque, like more of a scrambler based.
Okay, yeah, it looks like a scrambler, and also the
Tuned.
Tuned.
And it's totally height up.
yeah, and also I like the Showa suspension, which was earlier not there in the not there on Enfield, right? So this is what is making it
Craving
look
for
apart.
attention,
The Showa suspensions, very nice. bro.
longing for salvation.
And
in the middle
of
the
course
night.
this Insta stick. I'm in love with this Insta stick, and he has got this from Dubai.
As
Thank you
far
so
as
much.
the eye can see,
Can you just catch this?
as long as the sea is deep,
Stay in touch, and please watch
as long as my soul is free, I'm alive.
Thanks for taking the Algo inside and showing us some lights. Thanks. So this is the Commando Renegade. Seeing it after a long time because this is out of production now. However, it has that classic taste. And see the seat. Wow, it's pure leather. It looks very nice. And they have also ensured that the rain doesn't harm the leather. So there's a polythene, or what I would say a transparent PPF kind of thing done on the seat as well, which is making it look apart. And the color also is wonderful. So the event has winded up, guys. I'm leaving home now. So see you in the next ride. Signing off, Manoj Verma. Ride with MJ28. Please share, subscribe, and hit a like. Take care.